hello everyone, we are going to learn about method overriding. So first we will create a sample program. So this is our sample program. Suppose we have a class animal and it has a method called sound public void sound animal sound. And so we can create an object of this animal class and we can call this sound method. So we can create an object of animal class new, and animal we will call animal constructor, default constructor, and we can call a dot sound. So it will print animal sound. Let's run this program and see the output. So what we are doing, we are creating object of animal class and we are calling sound method. So animal sound will be printed into the output box. So animal sound is printed. And suppose we have another class like dog. It also has sound method, and in this sound method it is printing dog sound. Dog sound is woof dog sound. And we can create an object of dog class also, and we can call the sound method like this, dog, and we can have d object for the dog class, and d dot sound will print woof dog sound. Let's run this program and see the output. So initially we are creating object of animal class and we are calling sound method. So execution will go to line number 4 and animal sound will be printed into the output box. Then we are creating object of dog class and we are calling sound method of dog class. So execution will go to line number 10 and it will print woof dog sound. Let's execute this program line by line. So initially this class will be called, object will be created of this class, and a dot sound will call line number 4. So line number 4 will be executed and animal sound will be printed into the output screen. See here. Then line number 19 will be executed and we are creating object of dog class here. So execution will go to line number 8. We will execute line number 20 and we are calling sound method of dog class. So line number 10 will be executed. So line number 10 will be executed and dog woof sound will be printed into the output screen. Okay, so we can play around these methods also. Suppose dog class is a subclass of animal class. Dog class is also belongs to animal class. So dog class can extend animal class. Okay, and we can see now both classes has similar method, public void sound, and here also in dog class also public void sound. So animal will be object of animal class and a dot sound will print animal sound, and dog is extending to animal class. So animal class is a parent class and super class, and dog is a child class or subclass of animal class. And we are creating object of dog class and d dot sound will print this only. So let's run this program and see the output. So a dot sound will print animal sound, d dot sound will print woof dog sound. Okay, woof dog sound is printed. Okay, suppose we didn't have this sound method, suppose this was not present. So what will happen, we are creating object of animal class, then we are creating object of dog class and we are calling sound method of dog class, and we know sound method is not present into the dog class, but dog class is extending to animal class and sound method is present in the animal class. So this sound method will be called, because here we are doing inheritance. Dog is inheriting properties of parent class animal, properties like instance variable or methods. So when we say d dot sound, dog object dot sound, so it will call the parent class sound method. Let's run this program and see the output. A dot sound will print animal sound. Okay, and here we are creating object of dog class. So we are creating object of dog class and we are creating d dot sound. D dot sound, we will look for sound method in the dog class. We don't have any method sound in the dog class, and we know dog is extending to animal class. Animal is a parent class, so we will look for sound method in the dog class, and we have found the sound method in the dog class. So this sound method will be executed with dog dot sound. So animal sound is printed again. Okay, and we can revert our code to like earlier. It can have sound method. So see here, name of the method and return type of the method and number of parameters in the method are same. Name of the method, number of parameters are the same, and but functionality is different. It is printing animal sound and it is printing woof dog sound. So this is known as a method overriding. Now if we call this d dot sound, then it will execute this sound method of dog class. It won't execute dog sound method of animal class. It won't execute animal class sound method. It will execute dog class sound method, because sound method is present into the dog class also. So it is known as method overriding. Okay, so we have two methods of same name and same number of parameters, same return type. So this is known as method overriding. Okay, and suppose if we want to, let's remove this thing. Suppose if I want to call parent class sound method also into this child class, into this dog class sound method, so we can use super keyword super dot sound. So first it will call the parent class sound method animal sound, then it will execute rest of the lines. Okay, so let's run this program and see the output. So animal sound method is printed because we are calling super dot sound, and super dot sound will call parent class sound method. Okay, now line number 12 will be executed. So it will print woof dog sound. Okay, so this was all about method overriding and super keyword in the Java. So we have learned about the method overriding. So method overriding happens between two classes when one class is inheriting properties of parent class. So that time method overriding happen, and method overloading happens within the class only. In method overloading, we have same method but with different number of parameters or different type of parameters. Method overloading happens within the class. The common method will have either different number of parameter or different data type of parameter. Method overriding happens between the classes, and data type of the parameter and number of parameters will be same, and name of the function or data type of the function will be same also. Suppose if we want to do method overriding here from within the class, suppose in this class we have a sound method two times. Let's remove super also. Suppose we have sound method two times, and this is new woof sound method. Okay, and if we want to do method overriding within the class, and we are calling d dot sound, we are creating object of dog class, then we are calling d dot sound, then this compiler will get confused which sound method we need to call, either this sound method or this sound method. Compiler will get confused. So this is why it will throw error, because method overriding can't take place within the same class. If we try to execute this program, then it will throw an error, because compiler will get confused which sound method to call. D dot sound is indicating to this sound method or this sound method. So because of this ambiguity, it will throw an error. Let's run this program and see the error. See, method sound is already defined in the class dog. See, it is pointing error at line number 14. That method sound is already defined in the class dog, because this sound method is already defined. So let me remove this error, then run this program. It will not throw an error. So see, it is executing successfully. It is not throwing an error. And woof dog sound will be printed. D dot sound will print woof dog sound. So this sound method is overriding to this parent class sound method. So this is known as method overriding. This dog class sound method is overriding to parent class sound method, and woof dog sound will be printed. So this is known as method overriding when a subclass method overrides to the parent class sound method. Okay, this is known as method overriding. Method overriding happens between the classes, whereas method overloading happens within the classes.